Hey guys, this is Danger DMD, and I am here to show you guys how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, which everybody knows just as the Rubik's Cube. Um, Before I begin, I want to show you some examples of what I'm going to be saying. There are certain algorithms that you have to learn, like something strange like that. Um, You won't be learning that specific one, but there are a few things that you're going to have to learn, and I got to show you how to do it by the way I say them. If you have this side facing you, I'll tell you which side to have facing you depending on what happens. This will be your front side, so this is F. The front side is F. Top is called a U. The bottom is called D for down. The R is for right, the L is for left, and the B is for the back. Okay? So if I have green facing me and I say go R, that means go right clockwise, okay? If I say R prime, that means R counterclockwise. Okay, same thing with the left. If I say L, that means go clockwise. If I say L prime, that means go counterclockwise. Same for the front. F prime goes that way. And if I say F2, that means you go twice. Okay, just like that. So with that, let us begin. Alright, the first thing you want to learn how to do is to solve a cross such like this. To get something like this, you're going to have to understand the cube just a little bit better. Such like you've got this white and orange piece right here. I want to bring that up here, like so. And since the orange is over here, I want to try to make sure these match, just like so. If you see here, I've got green in here, red over here, blue, and orange. So with the orange and white matching, I want to make sure that stays that way. Now, if you look here, we've got white and blue. And I need to get that up here. And you say, well, that's easy, just turn it up here. And so now you've got this little kind of thing going on. Don't worry about that. It's in the right position, but we have to get that corner piece in here, and you can't put the corner piece in without messing that up. So ignoring that, let's move on. Now, we have a green piece right here. And I want to get that right here. And you think, well, that's just, I'll spin it twice. And then if you look, you're like, wait a minute, that's not going to work. I have to flip that. So bring it back to where it was, and we're going to move this over like so. So that way we can move the piece here and then move it up here. So we'll bring the piece here like so and bring it up here. Okay? And so it's just, you have to understand the cube just a little bit different to understand or put it to where you have a cross. And here's a good example. Like you have this piece right here, and you want to try to get that up here. And well, you understand that you're gonna have to flip it. So you're gonna bring this all the way over here and flip it up. And so now you're like, well, wait a minute, I just got this all messed up. And you want to, don't worry, relax, it's alright. All you gotta do is just turn it once like so, and all the corners or the middle parts are fixed. Now there are times when people will say, well, look, I've got it all solved and stuff, and then I look and it looks like you've got a perfectly good cross, right? Well, it looks right, but if you look down here, you've got the green here, but you've got this one wrong, and this one wrong. And there's no way you can fix that. Or we could even try it this way, and you've got just these two wrong. So you always want to make sure you get the pieces in the right position. Like make sure the orange is matching the orange and the green is matching with the green. So that way you always maintain the white cross. And after you get a cross like so, you want to try to, I'll use this as an example, you want to try to get all the corner pieces in, and it's nice and easy. All it does is it takes just a little bit of understanding of how the cube works. So now if you look here, I've got my cross, or my corner solved, and because we followed the color order, we also have the complete first row. And that's when you know that you've done the first part of it correctly. Now I'm going to show you how to get into that position. Let's say I want to start with this white, blue, and red piece, or corner. And I want to bring that to here. Well, what I teach everybody is I teach them to bring that corner under the piece that they want it to go into, because the white, red, and blue piece comes here, which is this right here. And since the white is on the bottom right, I'm going to turn it to the left, bring the right side down, bring the bottom to the right, bring the right side back up. And it's a really simple, not even considered an algorithm actually. It's just something that you have to understand, but that takes time. And we'll start with this one, white, orange, and blue. And we've got white, orange, and blue. So this piece comes up here, and since it's on the bottom right, we're going to turn it to the left, bring the right side down, bottom to the right, bring the right side back up. So now we've got two corners fixed, and now we'll do this piece right here, white, red, and green. And so bring it under the white, red, and green, and since it's on the bottom right, we're going to turn it to the left, right side down, bottom back to the right side back up. And I'm wanting to show you, here we go. Here's a better example. If it's on the bottom left, like so, you want to do the inverse of what you just did. Since it's on the left, we're going to turn the bottom to the right, turn the left side down, turn the bottom back to the left, and turn the left side up. If you see here, now you have solved the entire top side of the Rubik's Cube. And that concludes my step 1 of how to solve a Rubik's Cube beginner's method.